you ride for me if I ain't nothing to give? Just turn your back on me like some of my friends. And if it caught you,
bitch, I can't do it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's your girl That Chick Drill with another video. So I'm excited. Y'all really show out on that last video. Let's clap it up for y'all. Y'all really did y'all thing. So I was like, they like wig trial hauls, so why not do another one? So as you can see in the title, it's a synthetic wig trial haul. I got the popular Miss Keshona. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna just get close just in case. Miss Keshona. I seen it on a few people. And let me tell you, I was like, let me try it. I gotta try it. Yes, you probably like, girl, how you gonna try to wig on? How you gonna try to wig on with braids? Baby, I'm gonna take these things out. But before I take these braids out, let me show y'all the perks. Let me take it out the bag. Let me show y'all what Keshona is giving. Cause Keshona don't sound right. This is Keshona. So yeah, Keshona is from Sensationnel. It is the Cloud9 Swiss lace wig, wet lace, hairline illusion lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber. The HD lace keeps them guessing. Okay, Sensational, I like that. And it says the color is face frame SandyBlonde, but I got it in the color yeah, face frame SandyBlonde, but it's black. And it is here's the back. I'm gonna read y'all the back. It says, well crafted, it's soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps. It's a 13x6. It says it has a natural density. We gonna see. Customized 100% hand tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic blah 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 blah. You already know what time it is. And they said that the translucent Swiss lace is for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna get into this pack. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna open it up, and yeah. And this is my first time opening it today. I wanted to wait to get on camera to show y'all. Y'all, my roots look horrible, but look at this, girl. And this is my first time trying a short look, like a short look, other than cutting my hair. Yes, it's looking like a grandma right now, but sis, let's get into this. Ooh, ooh. And a few other people, they got the other what's this? Oh, it's a side part. I bet it's like a chicken, but I ain't gonna judge it. I think it's gonna be cute. I'm gonna try to do it up. I'm gonna try to, this, I feel like it's too long for me personally. Y'all just to see it on me. But I like what they did with it. That's cute. Okay, Sensational. Yeah, let's get into this lace. This is what it's looking like. This is what the hairline is giving. I'm gonna put it on so y'all can see. And they were right about the combs. One right here, and one, I think, in the back. Yep, in the back. And yeah. Let's get into it. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Let's run it up. I got a few subscribers. I'm happy. Welcome to the baddie team. Welcome to the passenger babe team. And if you're not aboard, what are you doing? Go ahead and get your ticket and get on board, sis. I announced on my business page that my lash books came. Here they are. Y'all can't really see like that, but this is how they are, the holographic lash book, and you get 5 pairs of lashes. Oh sis, let's get up close. You get 5 pairs of lashes. You get 2 of the same, and then you get 1 dramatic one at the bottom. So yeah, you can always go on my website, packandlash.com. I'll leave right here at the bottom so y'all can check me out. And yeah, I got 2 different types, same lashes but 2 different. I want to give y'all variety. I want to give you a little variety. So yeah. Oh wait, let me put them right here because the light ain't right. So yeah, here's this one. Yes, girl, look at that sparkly pink. I really like the pink one, but girl, they don't want me over with this one. Which one y'all like? Drop down in the comments. But yeah, let's get into this tutorial. The wig. Now look, I'm gonna be honest. I feel like an old woman right now. I'm definitely giving hairspray. I'm definitely giving Justin Bieber. Just even worse. But let's start off with the positives. We're not gonna be negative. I'm on my bed. It's another day. I had to get right for this video, y'all. So I took my braids out. I'm back. Look at this 13x4 though. It's big head friendly, sis. It is big. It is big head friendly. Ear to ear. 13 by 6. But one thing I will say, it's so stringy. Okay, anyway, so look. This is my idea. I'm gonna tell y'all my plans. Let me show y'all the back. Y'all see that? I got the little bump because that's my hair right there. We ain't gonna worry about it. But I thought about cutting it some more because y'all, with a slayed face, untouchable. Okay, so where my comb? Here we go. I love this part, y'all. This part is definitely giving, and it feels so soft. Look at that bang. I'm giving chicken. I'm giving cacao rooster. What? How? Oh my god. But I like it though. I do like it. It's different. I definitely decided to get another color that wasn't the same as everybody else. Everybody else got the blonde or the basic black, but I wanted to have like a little funky touch to it. You know what I'm saying? Let's try the other side. I'm definitely not trying the middle part because baby, y'all see that? Okay, look at that. You can part it. Look at that. Y'all look at that. Hold on. Look at that. Come through, Sensational. Like, they do not miss a beat. Let me see on this side. Oh, I'm looking like Lucy. Dun. So I'm stop. I'm gonna get a razor comb. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, decided to do a little voiceover. Here I am. I got my wig cap on. I already sprayed a little bit of it, of my Got to Be glue spray on the wig cap, but I'm going back in with some more to really lay down those pieces. Ooh, I cannot talk today. But yeah, so that's me pushing it down, trying to get it to adhere to my head. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm going over my blow dryer, just, you know, getting it on a hot setting to just really get this wig cap to stick to my head. It really can be like a problem sometimes, but I got it. Perfect. All right, sis, so we put the wig on. We're just trying to see where I can get the placement of the wig over the wig cap. I personally like my wig farther over the wig cap so you can't see the wig cap. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going up with my Got to Be glue spray, just spraying around the little ends of the wig cap to make sure nothing comes up. Oop, that almost got in my eye. So now I zoomed up a little bit and I'm just cutting the ends of the wig cap. You know, you don't want too much lace, but then you want enough lace to be able to adhere the, I said adhere, that doesn't even sound right. Apply the wig, okay? But yeah, for the most part, yes, the lace looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna go with my foundation. Probably not on camera, but you know, it's really hard to record and apply a wig without no mirror. So I was basically just using my camera, the back of the camera, to look in the little square of the camera to do this. But yeah, I'm just cutting. And make sure when you're cutting that you don't do straight across, even if sometimes I do straight across, but I usually just zigzag across and to not give it that straight blunt line, because then that's when you can tell you got a wig on. So yeah, I was trying to feel myself and I was talking to myself too, girl. I was like, look at that part. I was just so happy about how the front was and my little auntie back. Look at that, girl, beautiful. Okay, so boom, I'm using my Bellatique hair braid and lock edge control. My hair tech definitely recommended me to use this on my edges, but I decided to use it on the wig because it serves the same purpose. But yeah, I'm going in looking for an edge brush, and boom, I'm about to lay my edges down. Okay, I felt like this wig needed something. Like, I felt like the straight back edges is fine, but I love me some baby hairs. So I was like, why not go in and add some nice sleek baby hairs? Not 5, just 2 big swoops on each side. And since I have a bang, it's really not, I didn't really need baby hairs on the other side, but I definitely wanted to have just 2 baby hairs. Who has 1 baby hair? That's just weird. So yeah, that's me keep messing with it. Girl, I had a time trying to do these baby hairs on camera. Sheesh. But yeah, y'all watch. Okay, y'all, so I had to come back on camera because girl, I could not do my baby hairs for sorry. I could not do my baby hairs for nothing. But let's get into it though. Ooh, okay, it's a little but like I said, ultimately, I think I did pretty fucking well. Girl, the lace, it's the lace for me. It's the lace for me. Like, look at that. I cut it a little bit, as y'all can see. Ooh, it's giving layers. I didn't, but see, I kind of wanted to wear it like this so it could look more realistic, you know? But, tell me what y'all think. I love it. And I'm gonna come back for the finished look, but so far I did my baby hairs. I cut, I plucked, well, I didn't really plug. And did my baby hairs because I feel like you can't have a short look without baby hairs. Girl, I mean, you can have straight like this, but girl, I need my baby hairs. So yeah, this is it, y'all. Y'all, look. Here's my hair. I'm finished. This is the last look. Final finished look, y'all. I really like it. I cut it, of course, and yeah, it's definitely giving auntie vibes still, but you know, I like it. I am auntie, so might as well go ahead and rock the look. Yes. If y'all have any questions about this wig, everything will be down in the comments and the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at thatchick_Drea. Follow my business lash page at pack_in_lashes. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I really had a good time. Well, not a good time. I really had a fun time making this video. And I'm glad that I can make videos like this for you guys. And let me know in the description, I mean in the comments, what kind of wig y'all want me to review next or try on or install. And yeah, until next time, bye y'all.
Would you ride for me if I ain't nothing to give? Just turn your back on me like some of my friends. And if it caught you